I'm gonna try a little faster.
He's been asking me for a couple years, ever since he rode his uncle's four-wheeler, to do some sort of motorsport kind of project. We settled on a go-kart that would be a good idea. So we talked about it for a couple years. But this year for his birthday, we had it planned out to just get as many parts as we could to build our own go-kart. Well, Nana and her Facebook marketplace superpowers, we ended up finding a good deal, and everyone pitched in and got him a running driving cart. So we surprised him with it. That video's already been out if you haven't seen it. Look at his face. It made my whole year. But anyway, we got a really good deal on a concession go-kart. It's a Schaller cart, but they're one of America's top brands when it comes to concession, ride and drive, whatever you want to call it, go-karts, you know, the rental tracks. So it's meant to run and drive every day with every Joe Schmo in it. But the thing is super heavy duty, right down to the steering spindles. It's made with a drive shaft yoke and a U-joint. Like, that's heavy duty. So I'm not sure what year the cart is. I still got to contact Schaller. If you guys happen to see this, Schaller guys, like, you guys make some incredible carts. I'm just a Joe Schmo here. But something else, let me say that, like, we are not a wealthy family. We're not even that well off, really. So my boy's not just gonna get some $1,000 or $2,000 or $5,000 race car and just get thrown in it. Like, he's gonna learn it, he's gonna work through it and come along the way. That's how I was raised. You got to work for what you get, and you got to respect what you have. So any kind of motorsports can be dangerous. I want him to be able to respect it and not just take things for granted. But yeah, we're not a wealthy family. Honestly, like a lot of Americans, most times we're doing good to keep our heads above water. Just keep it real, you know? So slowly but surely, we'll tinker and figure her out. But it's been a really good learning process for him so far. He's just in a couple times that he's actually had control. He's really seeming to pick it up and kind of get the feel for things. Or, you know, some people, when it comes to counter steering, some people, it doesn't come natural. You know, they have to think about it more. With him, it comes pretty natural. So I've had fun with it. Kart, we've got her painted up. She looks good. It's got a Honda GX 270 on the back. It's a 9-horse. It's a few years old. I'm pretty sure it's one of the earlier models, but still has the governor in it. She does right around 20 to 22 miles an hour. So we'll leave the governor in it just until I know he's got the hang of it, which Daddy wants to take it out, but it's his cart. I want him to learn at his pace. So we'll take it out when he's ready for it. And honestly, that stock motor is probably gonna need a couple extra things before we go revving it up. But so far, like, we have no complaints. It's been perfect. It's been so perfect. So a big shout out to anybody and everybody who helped pitch in and make this happen. We're having a blast. He's learning a lot. I'm having fun being the teacher. And stay tuned as he learns. He says he wants to get into go-kart racing. So we'll see how it goes. If we got the budget, I'd get him in a heartbeat. So we'll see how things go. Maybe grab a couple sponsors along the way, and we'll teach him some salesmanship too. But stay tuned. Here's some footage. Watch him drive. Yeah. Say what up?
What is?
Yeah. So here you go.
Okay.
Go for a cruise. Guinevere from the movie Onward. If you haven't seen it, it's a great movie. Watch it. But yeah, Guinevere. Look it up if you don't know, right?
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Oh, see.
Look at him. You got a happy throttle foot over here. Remember, bro.